Right now, 95% of human beings are wasting the most powerful hours in their day. While you're sleeping, someone else is awake. While you're scrolling mindlessly, someone else is building skills, discipline, and a destiny. And 365 days from now, you'll see them triumphing, and you'll inform yourself a kushti lie. Next year I'll alternate, but the fact is brutal. Subsequent year in no way comes. The world's top CEOs, elite athletes, and self-made billionaires don't share equal history, skills, or luck. They share one dependency, one unfair advantage. They, personally, in the morning, specifically 5 a.m. Science proves that your mind works as much as 45% faster in the first 50 minutes after waking up. This is whilst cognizance is sharp, discipline is robust, and distractions are silent. Yet 99% of human beings hand this golden time over to their blanket, their snooze button, and their comfort zone. Here's the darkish fact nobody desires to say out loud. Every time you hit snooze, you're giving your excellent energy to your pillow. You're donating your attention to social media. You're buying and selling your goals for 9 minutes of fake comfort that changes nothing. Meanwhile, your opposition is already moving. They've completed their workout. They've planned their day. They're closing deals. They're already behind, earlier than you even open your eyes. But today, this story changes. Today, you take control of your future. Set your alarm for 5 a.m., not to grind ad infinitum, but to save the hours that decide your existence. Wake up, drink water, move your frame. Write down one clear intention for the day. Protect this time for 21 days. No excuses, no negotiations. Do it like your life depends on it, because it does. 5 years from now, you'll stand in one of two places, either as the individual who transformed whole lot, or as the one who wasted 10,825 sunrises and wonders wherein time went. Your lifestyle is a choice. Your mornings decide it. Start now.